and she smell good. Oh. It's when a girl sit inside there, lie inside there and skin out. I have a finger, I ain't smell nothing. Now you have to give a girl that credit. You have to give that girl her credit. Yeah, man. Oh. I want to know how some girl feel. You have to call a man and your pussy smell. Because you have sense. You smelling sense still there. I know the boy smell it. How they feel at themselves. Eh? Huh? Shit. Them send a comment. I want to go in a comment here. Alright, they come in, madam. Move on. Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen.
Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New Year. My brother. Danger, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you, my bro.
I want to know. Government, I like how they still hold it off.
Yeah, we just there with a reason.
You get where I come from? And hear me I say to you. When you conquer one feel already. At the process when you in, you conquer something already.
Yeah.
So at the next lane and the next lane and the next lane. You see now this business here, me as a man who in it for years, never get too comfortable. Never yet feel like you're the man. Because when you feel like you're the man, you get too comfortable.
You're complacent, you go forward.
Just always think says somebody in front of you said always I get that energy for work harder. So me said that for say this. Me say not to hold up a mix pan SoundCloud.
Okay, nice.
Promote the SoundCloud them all over.
Okay, nice.
Promote the audio mat them all over, bad bro.
Yeah.
You get where I come from? Because remember this. When you dep on the media, you dep on TikTok and 900, 2,000 people on a shell on TikTok. When the life they done, give the people them some mix. If you know them a drive go party, them a drive go somewhere, them a hear some OB, them a hear some danger listen to.
Yeah.
Devilish Happy New Year, mama.
You understand me? And them something want to do. Send them up on SoundCloud and audio mac.
Fox.
You understand me, fam?
Yeah, bro.
You see, oh, say them rate you. You have to know, say them rate you. Don't make them talk, say them rate you. You have to see, say them rate you. Like, have your business card up now. Cut the fuckery. I respect the tone, so I'm telling you this. Have on a business card up and tell on the fans and for share it. You see, like when you can share the live, when fucker go on, share your business card too.
Really?
We just want to see the all be in a danger over upon a TikTok. More got some blood clot, big dance, so many places, and still not tail on the big dance them.
Real.
Yeah, bro.
This a new year this.
Yeah.
You understand me, bro?
Yes, bro.
Bad man thing. Real thing, I tell you now. I want to see him pan say event them. I say, Bumbo Clad. Oh, be in my town, danger in my town. I say, what go on then?
Fox.
You conquer over yes already.
Yes, sir.
You need to prove nothing more to a boy and over yes again. Oh. Street sit name. You see, my all over yes. My all over yes. No, I tap in because I'm busy. Rest my party come on Friday. You understand me? Again, never get too comfortable.
Yes, my
Because
dear.
somebody right there, time for you get comfortable, press gas and pass you.
Real.
Well,
Okay?
yes, sir.
And focus, you know. And the way. Yeah, drive. Some pussy could have one bad drive you. Some man go on, you gonna see some little thing over there, so to the left or to the right. We're gonna make you lose focus. To trick you.
Real.
Hi, Ellie.
Alright?
Real.
Alright. Don't follow people.
Fox.
That's
Don't
it, my
follow
bro.
people. And the last thing, before me leave, me I tell you now again, because I respect when I rate you know. You say people don't have nothing to lose, don't pay them no mind. I repeat again,
Amen.
people that have nothing to lose, don't pay them no mind.
Don't help
Yes,
it,
sir.
John.
Alright?
Yes, sir.
Big up, bro.
It will come like say, one girl like you, but she live with her husband. You have a better chance because she don't want nobody know about the relationship. Because she have something to lose and you have something to lose. You understand me? So in a career, the only thing you don't have nothing more to lose and prove over yourself. When you do it already.
Fox.
Somewhere else. The streets want soon here.
No.
When
Yes,
the
sir.
fans them, when the fans them in real life want hug up and tears, some of the cologne smell it. And say, bumbo clatter, so how be the look in a real life? Ah! I said, you the look in a real life?
I don't mind.
Come on, brother.
Well, man.
Fuck on that, brother.
Solid.
Yeah, man.
Solid.
I want you, youth,
Solid.
2026, a couple days ago, was a new year, and see it now. I wish you nothing but the best.
Solid, bro. On to you.
All right?
On to you, bro.
One thing with
Solid.
me, as a general, I'm not afraid to get no youth them flowers. All right?
Solid, bro.
Venture something. Remember, we want to hear more SoundCloud and more audio, Mac.
At it,
Do
bro.
the mix them out there.
Yeah,
Guidance.
one uncle love.
All right, manners.
Respect, bro. Solid.
Yeah. That's a mistake. I'm afraid to give you advice. Because I go on road, I travel. I'm say enough for the police, I'm going enough for the youth, and bad like them youth here. But the exposure them want. My three sisters, them nah stop calling me, I saw them stay. And all the while I want chat people. Them nah stop calling me, I saw them stay. And all the while I want chat people. Probably I'm over there at Trouble Suko, and when I come join it, me not in it. Me not in it. Load the youth. Yeah.